don't see the reason behind that. But, well, first of all, my first reaction is what a lucky husband I am. That I have a wife very protective sa akin. Kahit may nakita hindi magandang sinabi tungkol sa akin. Yan, talagang she gets very upset. I guess we cannot blame her. It will not affect our working relationship with the Vice President, Secretary of Education. I think that she also, as a wife, understands how the First Lady feels when you have to sit there and listen to these attacks that are being made against your husband. But mag-uusap kami ni VP Sara, kami ni Inday Sara, mag-uusap kami tungkol dyan. Huwag na masyadong dibdibin at yung hindi naman siya ang mga nagsabi